A 3-minute wildflower adventure for kids by your friends at Nature and Nurture. The Secret Life of Wildflowers. Hello, little explorers. Today we're going on a magical adventure to discover how wildflowers live, grow, and help the whole world. Ready? Let's tiptoe into the meadow. Part 1. The life cycle of a wildflower. Wildflowers go through a special journey called a life cycle. A circle of growing, blooming, and starting again. Step 1. The tiny seed. Every wildflower begins as a tiny seed, sometimes as small as a grain of sugar. The seed sleeps underground, warm, cozy, and waiting. Step 2. Wake up, little sprout. When the sun warms the soil and the rain gives a drink of water, the seed wakes up. A sprout pushes out, a teeny tiny green shoot reaching for the sunlight. Step 3. Growing leaves. The sprout grows leaves that act like little solar panels. They catch sunlight and help the plant make its own food. Yum! Step 4. The big bloom. Soon a little bud forms. And pop! A wildflower opens its colorful petals. Yellow, pink, purple, blue. Every color you can imagine. Step 5. Making new seeds. Inside the flower are very important parts that help make new seeds. When the seeds are ready, they fall to the ground, blow in the wind, or hitch a ride on animals. And the cycle begins again. Part 2. The parts of a flower. Petals. Bright and colorful, like a flower's clothes. They attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Stem. The flower's straw. It holds the flower up and carries water from the ground. Leaves. They sip sunlight and help the plant make food. Roots. Hidden underground. They act like little fingers grabbing water and helping the plant stay in place. The flower center. This is the most important part. It's where pollen and seeds are made, like the wildflower's treasure chest. Part 3. Why wildflowers are super important. Wildflowers aren't just pretty, they're heroes. They feed pollinators. Bees, butterflies, beetles, and hummingbirds drink nectar and carry pollen from flower to flower. This helps new plants grow. They give food and shelter. Birds eat seeds. Small animals hide in tall wildflowers. They protect the soil. Roots hold the earth in place so rain doesn't wash it away. They keep the whole ecosystem healthy. When wildflowers grow, everything, from insects to animals, lives in better balance. Check this out. Fun wildflower facts. Did you know? Some wildflower seeds can sleep underground for 30 years before sprouting. Did you know bees see colors differently and love blue and purple flowers the most? Did you know some flowers only open in the morning and others only at night? Did you know milkweed is the only plant where monarch butterflies lay their eggs? Let's reflect. Here's a Bible verse about God's beautiful creation. The flowers appear on the earth. The season of singing has come. Song of Solomon 2:12. God fills the world with wildflowers to remind us of beauty, hope, and new life. Now go explore on your own. Grab a grown-up and take a short hike in your backyard, a park, or a nearby woodlot. See how many different wildflowers you can find. Big ones, tiny ones, colorful ones, fuzzy ones. Maybe start a wildflower journal and draw the ones you discover. Happy exploring, young botanists! Be sure to like and share this with your friends and family.